What are we doing? We have failed. We're done. Drop the nuke. This is it. I want to give you free money right now. I've partnered with different resources that will literally give you hundreds of dollars the moment you sign up for them. Check out my investing app of choice, Moomoo, where they give you up to 15 free stocks and 8.1% interest on your uninvested cash when you sign up with my link. Do you want a more traditional savings account? Check out where I keep my emergency fund, SoFi, where they'll give you 4.5% on your money and up to $300. Would you rather have automated investing? Sign up for Acorns with my link and you'll get $20 right now instead of the usual $5 you'd get from your friend's referral. You can also sign up for our investing program and get $100 in cash deposited into your Moomoo account. This is the best way to learn what your investing profile looks like and what investing strategies to use based on that. All of this free money is linked in the resources section of the description below, so don't pass up the free money because I'll punch you.
But no, they're not supporting me.
Really?
My dad pays for my phone bill.
That's a little, okay, that's not crazy.
And then, but yeah, no, it's just me.
You have a roommate?
Yeah.
Okay, because there would be no other option for you. Okay. My producer said the only thing you ever said about a car was a totaled car. Do you have a totaled car?
No, I have totaled a car, but that was a while ago.
Okay, you don't.
That's why I had to get.
You're not a reliable narrator. This is impossible. You don't know what you're saying.
No,
ever.
I have this Subaru, and then
I know you just didn't tell them correct information.
And then, well, my parents still support me, but like if I'm having like a bad day or something, I just remembered my dad will sometimes just
bad day. What's a bad day?
Like
when daddy, pick up
no,
please, daddy.
No, not at all.
Daddy, I said.
It's like a gift. Think of it like a gift.
Daddy, I just went on a date and he thinks I'm a crazy so he's not going on a second.
No.
Daddy, please.
No. You know, it's like you're talking to your friend and you realize, oh, like they're going through something or whatever, and you get them a little treat. It's like that.
Okay. He gets you sweet treats. You have a sweet treat, daddy?
I guess so.
What? When? How often? How much?
Not that much.
What?
Maybe like once a month.
What does he get you?
Like $100.
Oh, that's a lot of money.
No, it's not.
$100? You have no respect for the dollar. $100? I could do a lot with $100. I could get many a sweet treat with $100.
That's true. That's why he sends it.
I got the entire office sweet treats today and delivered, expensive, and it was less than $100. What are you talking about? $100 is a lot of money. What do you do? What? You have to. What's your hourly rate? You creature? What is it? You have to work almost 6 hours to get that. Well, and then after taxes, you probably have to work like 7, 8.
Yeah.
Gotta work a whole damn day just for
It's
that.
helpful.
And that's not a lot of money.
It's helpful.
I just don't like that you don't have respect for the dollar.
I didn't mean it like that.
Yes, you said. You said it's not a lot of money. What do you mean? What do you mean?
It's a
what
nice
else could
thing.
that mean?
It's a nice thing.
Sure, but what else could that mean? I don't think that means anything else. I was going to set you up with Domain Money. We set everyone up that we think could work the financial advisor to Domain Money. They're my financial advisors. They're great. I love them. You have a dad as a financial advisor.